How to add phone number on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to add a phone number to our Facebook account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select the menu button in the bottom of the app. Once you get to the menu, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. And then once in the settings, select See More in Accounts Center. Once we're in the Accounts Center, scroll down a little bit and under Account Settings, select Personal Details, and then select Contact Info. So now all we need to do to add a phone number is select Add New Contact and then Add Mobile Number. Go ahead and enter the phone number that you want to add to your Facebook account. Select the accounts that you want associated with that phone number, and then select Next. It'll then send an SMS confirmation code to that phone number. All you need to do is enter the code that you receive and then select Next, and then that phone number will be added to your Facebook account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.